In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Cloud Platform for startups. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, Google Cloud offers a host of services that can help power your startup with efficiency and reliability. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to cloud.google.com/startup. This is the specific section dedicated to startups within the Google Cloud Platform, providing tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of a growing business. Once you reach the site, you'll find the Google for Startups Cloud program. Look for the Apply Now button. This is your entry point to accessing a wealth of resources and potential financial support for your startup. Clicking on it will take you to an application form. Now it's time to fill out this form, which will require some details about your company and your website. Be thorough and ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. This step is crucial as it helps Google understand your startup's needs and determine eligibility for various support programs. After submitting your application, there will be a waiting period. This is where Google reviews your application and, if you're eligible, provides up to $200,000 in credits to help you get started on the platform. Patience is key here, as the approval process may take some time. Once your application is approved and you've received the credits, log into the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. You'll need to create a new project. This will serve as the workspace for your app or service, allowing you to organize resources and manage them effectively. With your project set up, consider what services your startup will need. If you're looking to deploy servers, navigate to the Compute Engine. This powerful platform allows you to set up virtual machines and run them with ease and flexibility. For database solutions, look into Cloud SQL or Firestore. These services are excellent for managing your data efficiently and with security. For businesses requiring file hosting, Cloud Storage provides robust options with scalable storage capacity. If you're developing mobile or web applications, Firebase is a fantastic resource that offers a range of tools to enhance development and deployment speed. Make sure to set billing alerts. This step is essential to keep track of your free credits usage and avoid unexpected charges. It's always a good idea to closely monitor your budget as you scale. After setting up your services, deploy your app and utilize cloud monitoring to keep an eye on performance metrics. This will help you quickly identify and resolve any issues, ensuring your app runs smoothly. And just like that, your startup is up and running on Google Cloud with free credits and scalable tools at your fingertips. Embrace the power of these cloud-based solutions to drive your startup towards success. Great job, and see you in the next tutorial.